look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this thing.
You hear that shutter just... Nice camera with lightning.
The jaguar and the python are both fascinating and powerful animals, but they belong to entirely different categories in the animal kingdom. Below is a detailed comparison of the two jaguar, Panthera onca. The jaguar is a large carnivorous mammal in the Felidae family, also known as cats. It belongs to the genus Panthera, which also includes lions, tigers, and leopards. Jaguars are native to the Americas, primarily found in Central and South America. Python, Pythonidae family. Pythons are a family of non-venomous snakes, part of the Serpentes suborder. The python family includes several species, the most famous being the reticulated python, ball python, and Burmese python. Pythons are primarily found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Jaguars are known for their powerful build, short but muscular bodies, and distinctive yellow coat with black rosettes, which is a pattern of spots. Some jaguars can also have a melanistic or all-black coat. They are the largest cats in the Americas and the third largest overall, behind tigers and lions. Jaguars typically weigh between 100 and 250 pounds and can grow up to 6 feet in length, including the tail. Pythons are large, elongated snakes with muscular bodies. They typically have smooth scales that may have various patterns depending on the species, such as the reticulated or ball python. The reticulated python is the longest species, reaching lengths of up to 30 feet, though most species are much smaller. Pythons have no limbs but are incredibly strong, with some species capable of constricting prey larger than themselves. Jaguars are apex predators and carnivorous hunters, primarily preying on mammals like deer, peccaries, capybaras, and even large animals like caimans or tapirs. They are known for their exceptional strength, speed, and ability to hunt both on land and in water. Their unique hunting method involves biting through the skull of their prey with their powerful jaws, often piercing the brain or spine. Pythons are constrictor snakes, meaning they kill their prey by wrapping around it and squeezing until the prey suffocates. They are opportunistic feeders, preying on a variety of animals including mammals, birds, and reptiles. Pythons can consume large prey relative to their size, with some species capable of swallowing animals as large as deer or antelope. Jaguars are primarily found in dense tropical rainforests, but they can also live in savannas and wetlands. They prefer areas with dense cover for stalking prey, and often live near water sources like rivers, lakes, or swamps. Pythons inhabit a wide range of environments, including rainforests, grasslands, and savannas. Some species, such as the reticulated python, are also found in human-modified areas. Pythons are often found near water sources like rivers, lakes, or marshes. Jaguars are solitary animals, and males and females only come together for mating. After mating, females give birth to 1 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of about 93 to 112 days. Cubs are born blind and helpless, relying on their mothers for protection and nourishment until they are old enough to hunt on their own. Pythons lay eggs, also known as being oviparous after mating. The number of eggs varies by species, but some females can lay up to 100 eggs at a time. The female often guards the eggs until they hatch, using body heat to incubate them. Once the young hatch, they are independent from the moment they emerge. Jaguars are solitary creatures and are known for their stealth and solitary nature. They are territorial and communicate through scent markings, vocalizations, and scratch marks on trees. Pythons are typically solitary animals as well, though some species may occasionally tolerate the presence of others in favorable conditions like during hibernation or mating season. They are not territorial in the traditional sense, but they may defend an area or hide when they feel threatened. Jaguars are incredibly strong for their size, with the most powerful bite among big cats. They can crush the skulls or shells of their prey with a single bite. They are also excellent swimmers, able to move swiftly through water and hunt aquatic animals including fish, caimans, and even anacondas. Pythons are known for their immense strength, particularly in their ability to constrict prey. Some species, like the reticulated python, can coil their bodies around large animals, suffocating them before swallowing. Pythons also have a keen sense of heat and can detect infrared radiation through specialized pits on their face, helping them track warm-blooded prey. Jaguars and pythons may occasionally come into conflict in overlapping habitats, especially in regions like the rainforests of Central and South America. Jaguars are powerful enough to take on large reptiles like caimans, and they might attempt to prey on or engage pythons, especially if they encounter each other near water. However, pythons are more likely to avoid direct confrontation with large predators like jaguars, as their best defense is typically to escape and hide.